Hey guys, what's up? It's Kahoob here, and I'm going to record just one Hearthstone video and upload on my channel playing Aggro Druid, the deck that I played to get Legend. We're going to see how I do at the Legend rank. Let's see if I rank up or D-rank or whatnot and see what rank I end up at the end of this game. We'll see what goes on, so look for an opponent right now and get started into this and see what happens. Alright. Let's see what rank am... Oh, I don't know if the audio is loud or not, but I'll just turn it down, I guess. I don't know. We're against Mage, probably going to lose, so we'll see how much I D-rank from this. Although I did win against a Mage getting to the Legends, which was really weird. I wasn't really paying attention to that game, surprisingly, but I don't think the Mage was playing correctly. All of these cards seem pretty good. Against a Mage, you have to be a bit more aggro, though, which Far Watch Post is really good for that. Sergeant Squire is not too great, but we'll just click confirm because I would need other things too to combo, and that's too much of a risk, so we'll just keep this hand. Yep, of course. I'll probably just coin into Far Watch Post. Oh, two of them. That's perfect. If we're lucky, they're not going to be able to do anything about it, and then we'll do Far Watch Post, and it's going to be even more unlikely they're going to be able to do anything about it, so... We'll see how that goes. They had Ignite, so that sucks. So next turn they can kill this off, but we'll have another one, so it's fine. One's better than none. Technically speaking, I could wait to do Oracle of Elune, and then the next turn do Far Watch Post, but I just don't think that's worth it. I think it's probably best just to play one. I mean, I technically have to get two, though. Let's see. All right, I decided I would do this one, and then an Oiotron. Technically speaking, it would have been nice to Oracle of Elune onto this one and so on, but oh well. This still works. Oh nice, two Oracle of Elunes. Now if we're lucky, they won't be able to do anything about Oracle of Elune. 6,310. You can actually see the ranks at Legend now. The ranks below, you can't actually even see what rank they are, whether it's ranked Diamond 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, or anything like that. It makes sense at Legend. You kind of have to see the ranks, though. It's annoying that they got rid of the ranks, though, because that was the difference between Standard and Competitive, or Standard and Unranked, I think it was called. Okay, we're Oracle of Elune again, because we wanted to do that for Far Watch Post. But yeah, before it would not show. Well, I guess the difference, though, I can still know if I'm in ranked or not if I forget, is just by looking down here and I can see my rank. I think in unranked it doesn't show your rank. And obviously it won't show theirs, but when you're not Legend, it usually doesn't show their rank either, even in ranked, so it's kind of annoying. Let's see, what do they have in hand? They have a second flame. And okay, no, well, alright, I think we're good. They don't have any coin or anything to reduce the cost, so they can't use that second flame on there. Okay, cool. Oh, I really want to do Teacher's Pet, but it would be nicer if we had two Razor Mains, so then I could double up Teacher's Pet from Elune. But that's not like, that can't happen. The only thing this can copy is this, so we'll... This is most likely just Armor Up, or whatever it's called, so... Ice Barrier, so we'll go like that. Can't place anything since the board's full. But we got two of these guys up now, so that's really good. They could have the 4 mana deal 3 damage to all minions, so that would suck. They probably do have it. If not, then on turn 7 they'll have Blizzard or whatever it's called, or Flame Strike. I want to see how much I rank up or down after this game. I'll be surprised if I win. If you can look at my win rate up here. I haven't had Firestone open the whole time I've been playing this season, so it's not completely accurate. And plus I haven't been just playing this deck the whole season, so that's another reason it's not completely accurate. So I don't know how true my chances are right here on winning or losing, because it's kind of a low sample rate. Oh yeah, my deck's win rate is 57%, pretty close to it. Okay, looks like they don't have much board clear. Otherwise, they would have just done the whole board. So they're drawing cards, and it's nice because it's doubling up. Yeah, awesome. Won my first game in Legend and completely, utterly obliterated, destroyed them. All right, 6,215. 6,123. I'm playing Hearthstone, so I should know quick maths, but let's just do the 6,215 minus 6,123. 92. Nice. 92 at a time. I don't know how high it can go at a time if you win a lot of games in a row or not. Anyways, that's awesome. Won my first game in Legend, and it's October 24th, 2021. I have like till the 31st, so like 7 days left. Yeah, we'll see what rank I ended up being at on Legend. Definitely not going to get rank 1 Legend this season. Maybe next season, maybe never. I don't know. But I got Legend. That's the main goal. I've always been trying to hit Legend ever since 2015, 16, something like that. Finally got it. And yeah, so hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you all in another video.